Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize accessibility floating button fade option in Realme 14 Pro phone. So first, where to look for this? Settings. Next in settings, we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience. At the top, we need to tap the accessibility menu, and here at the top we have general tab. So then we need to tap accessibility button, and here we have our options. So first of all, of course, we need to have our floating button selected. We need to have the fade option enabled, of course. We want to customize this function. And here we have the slider for the button. So at the top we have example here. So we can change transparency using this slider. Transparent very much, transparent not very much. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.